Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about operator precedence, and we call it as associativity of operators in Python. So which operator has highest precedence? So how to check this precedence? So do we have any rule for that? Or for example, if we say plus has highest precedence than minus, so does it have any authenticated meaning of that? Or how can we say that? So how associativity of operators in Python is achieved? So so what is this precedence? So which one comes first? Okay, the combination of values, variables, operators, and function calls is termed as an expression. So in Python, for example, if we say 5 minus 7, so we'll get minus 2. Here 5 minus 7 is an expression. There can be more than one operator in an expression. Okay, to evaluate these type of expressions, there is a rule of precedence. Okay, so if I say that 5 minus 7 plus 2, so let us assume. Okay, so if I say print 5 minus 7 plus 2, okay, so what do we get? So we get 0. Okay, so if I say so 7 minus 5 plus 2. So how is taking this precedence? Okay, so if I say 5 minus 7 minus 5 into 2. So why is it 3? Okay, so why can't it be 7 minus 5, that is 2, 2 into 2, 4. Why we got 5 into 10, 7 minus 10 minus 3. So is there any precedence for that? Okay, so let's see. 5 minus 7 is generally a small expression. There can be more than one operator in an expression. To evaluate these type of expressions, there is a rule of precedence in Python. So it guides the order in which these operations are carried out. Okay, so let's see an example. If I say print, okay, so 10 minus 4 into 2. Okay, so what do we got here? 2. Why? Because star has the highest precedence when compared with minus. Okay, so multiplication has the highest precedence when compared with minus. So what do we get here? 10 minus 4 into 2 is 8. So 10 minus 8, we get 2. Okay, now let us assume brackets. So 10 minus 4 is in brackets. Okay, now we'll see. So we got 12. So what happened here? Brackets has highest precedence when compared with multiplication. Okay, so in that manner we have some precedence. So we have some priority of particular operators. So which one to be evaluated first? Okay, so if we have only two operands and between a single operand, for example, if say 10 minus 4, so there is nothing to worry about. Why? Because 10 minus 4 is 6. So if we have three different operands like this, so then comes the precedence. So which one should execute first? Okay, so for example, multiplication is highest precedence than subtraction. So whenever if you use brackets, so brackets has highest precedence when compared with multiplication and division. Okay, now we'll see what precedence which one has highest precedence by seeing a table. Okay, now we'll see the operator precedence in the Python. So the operator precedence in Python is listed. It is in descending order. Upper group has higher precedence than the lower ones. So for example, if I show you like this, okay, so this is the upper group. Okay, so parenthesis. So parenthesis has the highest order, highest precedence. Okay, so next is exponent. So exponent like a 3 exponent 2, that is 3 power 2. Okay, so this is having the second highest precedence, and the third one is unary plus, unary minus, and bitwise not. So this one has the next highest priority. Okay, and if you see that unary plus, unary minus, bitwise not, so these three have the same priority. So next to that, next to unary plus, unary minus, bitwise not, we have division, multiplication, floor division, and modulus. So these four have the same priority. Okay, So plus minus, so addition subtraction. So these two has the same priority. So bitwise shift left and shift right. So these two has the same priority. So next bitwise AND. So next bitwise XOR. Next bitwise OR. And we have comparisons, identity, membership operator. So all these have the same priority. So during these expressions, when we get of the same priority, which one will be evaluated first? Okay, so let's see an example for that. So next is logical NOT. So next is logical AND. So and the last priority is logical OR. So logical OR has the least operator precedence or priority. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Suppose we're constructing an if-else block which runs if when lunch is either fruit or sandwich and only if money is more than or equal to 2. Okay, so precedence of or and so for example meal equal to fruit, money equal to 0. Okay, so if meal equal to fruit or meal equal to sandwich and money greater than or equal to 2, print lunch being delivered. Else print can't deliver lunch. Okay, so tell me which one will be evaluated first and what output we will get. Okay, so obviously we will get lunch being delivered. Okay, the reason is here. So when we see the priority here, logical AND has more priority when compared with logical OR. So you can see here, logical AND has more priority when compared with logical OR. But what happens here? So there is no specification here. So first it takes if meal equal to fruit. Okay, so it is satisfied. So it's not going for AND. So we'll get lunch being delivered. So we should be very specific here. Okay, so next what we'll do is, it's the same example. We have given in brackets if meal equal to fruit or meal equal to sandwich and money greater than or equal to 2. Now both conditions should get satisfied. So if meal equal to fruit or meal equal to sandwich. So here we have initialized with meal equal to fruit. Okay, or meal equal to sandwich. There is no issue because one is satisfied. And must and should satisfy money greater than or equal to 2. But what do we have here? Money equal to 0. So 0 greater than or equal to 2. It is false. So when will be and false? When both are true, it will be true. In remaining all cases, it will be false. So if it is false in the sense, it goes to else part. So we'll get output can't deliver lunch. So what about the previous one? So here we have not specified correctly. So here we're taking if meal equal to fruit or meal equal to sandwich. So we are taking, we have meal equal to fruit, then lunch being delivered is, we'll get the output. But here we are correctly specifying in brackets, if both should get satisfied, then lunch being delivered will be printed, or else it goes to the else part. So obviously true and false, and the operator gives false. So false in the sense it is nothing but else part. So can't deliver lunch will be printed. So associativity of Python operators. So we can see the above table that more than one operator exists in the same group. So that's what I said. Some operators have the same priority. Then how to solve this? So when two operators have the same precedence, associativity helps to determine the order of operation. So here we'll perform left to right associativity. Okay, so left to right associativity. Okay, so for example, what do we have here? Let's see the same associativity. We have star divided by. Okay, so star divided by has the same precedence. So let's check by an example. So let's take an example so that we'll solve the associativity. For example, if I say print okay, so both has the same priority. Okay, so if we see here like the table, okay, so floor division and into has the same priority. Okay, so but we should evaluate it from left to right. Okay, so let's see here 5 into 2. So left to right associativity, first 5 into 2 will be evaluated. So 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 floor division, that is 3 in brackets 10. So we'll get 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we'll get 3 here. So if you execute this, so we'll get 3 as a quotient. Okay, so now if we give a parenthesis here, so if you give a parenthesis here, so you can observe, so we'll get 0. Why? Because 2 floor division of 3 will get 0. Okay, so 5 into 0 will get 0. So I hope you understood the left to right associativity. And also we have right to left associativity in Python only for exponent. For exponent, we have only right to left associativity. So let's see an example here. So normally what do we get? So first, if we take left to right associativity, we should have 2 to 2 power 3. So what is 2 power 3? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 power 4. So we'll get some output. But here first it will take 3 power 4. Okay. So later on that result is given for 2. So 2 power some result. So if you see, so we'll get this value. So let's take a small value here. Okay. So normally 2 power 2. So we'll get 4. 4 power 2. 16. So we should get 16 basically. But first 2 power 2 is evaluated. 4. So 2 power 4. See. So we'll get 16. So 2 power 4, 2 into 2, 4. 4 to the right, 8 to the 16. So we'll get the same either way. So now see. So 2 power 2, we'll get 4. So 4 power 3. 4 power 60, 16 power 64. But see what happens. So we'll get 256. Why? Because right to left associativity is maintained. So 2 power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 is nothing but 256. Okay. So this is the right to left associative only for which one? Only for exponent operator. So remaining all cases will follow left to right associativity. Okay. So so in this way we can take more examples and we can evaluate our expression. So first we should check the priority. So which one has highest priority? If we come across with the same priority of the operators, we should follow left to right associativity. But we should follow only right to left associativity only in the case of exponential. Okay. So I hope you understood today's topic. The students who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please support my channel in all possible ways. Thank you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.